long I want my coils to be. I want it to hang over on each end a little bit, so I figured somewhere around 3.5 inches. I figured it'd be about 3/8 of an inch. Come between the two centers, or from inside to inside. What I've done here is set up my block of wood, my saw, for 3/8 of an inch. What I'm going to do is, as you can see I've already done some of it, is go down, cut one side, flip it over, and cut the other side so my saw doesn't stick all the way through into my board. Of course my saw is not tall enough to actually go through all the board either. Now that I got my board cut up, I cut down the sides here also, because this is a bad looking board and really don't need that much board. And I'm just going to cut this piece out and keep it. The rest of it will just be scrap wood. And I've marked my 3.5 inches. Got my first coil made. Now I've got to work it down into my motor. Been trying to wrap some in here, but it's becoming a bit too tedious trying to put the wire in and hold it in at the same time. So what I'm going to do is try to make one myself out of some 2x4s I've cut up here. We'll see how that one goes. I've cut my board like this. Got a slit on the side. 2 slits down here run my wire. A slit on the other side so I can run my wire around it and don't come out. On these, they're going to turn the other way. What I did was I took turned the saw on and went down on it like that. Of course I held onto it the whole time and didn't let go. But went down on it just like that. It made me a slit on the side so I can wrap my wire around there and hold my wire in place. Alright, I had to go back and widen it just a little bit. I only get it around 50 times. So I went back and cut it just a little wider so I can get more wire on there. I'm hoping to get at least 100. Alright, here's what I ended up with. Got my coil on there. I need to make that even a little bit wider now. I put the first one on, I'll make it wider before I put the rest in so it'll sit down in more. Especially on this one where the board has to sit like that. Well, actually it's going to sit like that, I guess. So, I'm going to try putting this right here. Where those it'll be just fine, it won't hit too bad. But this one it would be less room in there, so I'm going to try to make that just a little bit bigger. The wire fit in better. Took the plastic pieces that came out of here. It look like this. I put those in there. I may even slide that one up a little and put another one right below it. And then I'll take and put some super glue in there to hold that in place so it don't come out again. Okay, I had to go get my new camera. The old camera focuses much better. This one looks like a better picture, and it has a wide angle lens on it. I've got all my coils in, got all the plastic in, got them glued together. Next I've got to figure out how I'm going to put these in. And there'll be something like that. And then this will go inside and turn. I'm thinking about putting some coils in the corners, in each corner, but I think I'll try this first to see if it works. And I've still got these to figure out how to get that on. One in the back and one in the front. But that will be the next video.